Ever wondered how to make a perfect burger at home? Today, you're in for a treat. The art of crafting the perfect homemade burger is a game changer. It's not just about saving a few bucks, but also about controlling what goes into your burger. No more mystery meat or preservatives. Plus, you can cater it to your exact taste buds. Want it spicy? Add some jalapenos. Prefer a tangy twist? Throw in some pickles. Stick around, and in no time, you'll be the home burger master. First things first, gather all the necessary ingredients. We're talking about a succulent burger patty, fluffy buns, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and a slice of sharp onion. Don't forget the cheese. Choose something that melts beautifully, like cheddar or mozzarella. Next up, your favorite sauces, perhaps mayonnaise, ketchup, or a tangy mustard. And of course, those personal extras that make your burger truly yours, like pickles, bacon, or even a fried egg. Remember, quality is key. With all the ingredients in place, it's time to get cooking. The heart of a great burger is the patty, and here's how to prepare it. To start, you'll need to season your ground meat. A simple mixture of salt and pepper works wonders, but feel free to get creative with your spices. Mix it well into the meat, but be careful not to overwork it. Overworked meat can lead to tough patties. Next, it's time to form your patties. Aim for about a handful of meat for each patty, shaping it into a flat, round disc. Remember, your patties should be slightly larger than your buns, as they will shrink a bit during cooking. Now let's move on to grilling. Heat your grill or pan over medium-high heat. Cook each side for about 4 to 5 minutes for medium rare, or longer if you like your burgers more well done. And there you have it. With your patties grilled to perfection, you're halfway to your perfect burger. Now comes the fun part, assembling the burger. We kick things off with our buns, which we've lightly toasted to a golden brown. This not only adds a delicious crunch, but also creates a barrier to keep the bun from becoming soggy. Next, we start with a layer of crisp lettuce, which provides a refreshing crunch and a vibrant touch of green. On top of that, we lay our thick, juicy patty, hot off the grill and still sizzling. Now it's time for the cheese. A slice of sharp cheddar, melted to perfection, draped over the patty like a warm, cheesy blanket. Follow this with a slice or two of ripe, juicy tomato and a couple of crunchy pickles. And we can't forget the sauces. A dollop of tangy mayo and a squirt of ketchup are spread on the top bun, complementing the other flavors and adding a bit of zing. Finally, we crown our masterpiece with the top bun and gently press down. And voila! You've just made a perfect burger at home. Now that wasn't too hard, was it? We've journeyed from gathering ingredients to crafting patties, then assembling our perfect burger. Feel free to mix it up, swap cheddar for blue cheese, or add a unique sauce. Remember, the perfect burger is the one you make yourself, so get creative and enjoy the process.